countable and uncountable nouns. Let us know the countable nouns. We know that the nouns can be countable or uncountable. We find both singular or plural countable nouns. For example, my cat is asleep. My cats are asleep. When a countable noun is plural, we can use it alone. I like oranges. Bottles can break. We can use some and any with countable nouns. I have got some rupees. Have you got any pens? We can use a few and many with countable nouns. I've got a few rupees. I haven't got many pens. Let us know the rules for pluralization of nouns. For most nouns, just add s. Singular, plural. Hand, hands. Rabbit, rabbits. Some words ending in o add es. Singular, plural. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Some of the words ending in f change the f to v and add es. Singular, plural. Half, halves. Loaf, loaves. Some nouns ending in fe change the f to v and then add s. Singular, plural. Wife, wives. Life, lives. Knife, knives. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural form. Singular, plural. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. For nouns ending in s, x, z, ch or sh, add es. Singular, plural. Box, boxes. Pitch, pitches. Some words ending in o add s. Singular, plural. Cello, cellos. Disco, discos. Hairdo, hairdos. Some of the words ending in f just add s. Singular, plural. Chef, chefs. Cliff, cliffs. Common nouns that end with consonant plus y, change them to an I and then add es. Singular, plural. Poppy, poppies. Fly, flies. Penny, pennies. Some nouns change other letters or just change the word completely. Singular, plural. Man, woman. Child, children. Let us know the uncountable nouns. The uncountable nouns cannot be counted. For example, milk, tea, sugar, rice, hair. We use the words little, more, much, some, any, less, etc. with uncountable nouns. I poured myself more coffee. Please give me some money. I do not have any sugar left.